Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Black Ops 6, especially on Xbox Series S or X, the HUENEME NEGEV error. This is pretty easy to fix. Well, the first thing that you need to try here is to simply restart your console. Alright, now if that won't work, you might want to try to power cycle the console. If you don't know how to do so, here's a step-by-step guide. Alright, first up is to turn off your console by holding the Xbox button on the front of the console for approximately 10 seconds, and the console will turn off. Turn your console back on by pressing the Xbox button on the console or the Xbox button on your controller. Now, if you don't see the green boot up animation when the console restarts, repeat these steps. Make sure that you hold the power button until the console completely shuts down. Now, once done, try to boot up the game and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, you might want to try to switch with a different network. Alright, for example, you're currently using Wi-Fi right now. If you have multiple Wi-Fis available in your area, just go ahead and try those. All right. Or if you have a mobile hotspot, try to use that as well. Or if connecting to an Ethernet is available, that would be great. Try to use it as well and check if it helps. Now, you might want to go to this section right here. All right. First up, go to Settings, then General, Network Settings, Advanced Settings, and then select Alternate Port Selection and choose Manual. Now, what you're going to want to do in there is basically use these ports right here with numbers starting with 4 and 5. All right, you're going to want to play around with those ports. For example, you're going to choose 54468. Use that. Go ahead and run the game and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, try this one, 49639. All right. Now, if that will work, don't worry, you still have plenty of options here for you. Now, what you're going to do next is to clear your MAC address. Go ahead and press the Xbox button to open the guide. Select Profile and System, then Settings. Again, in General tab, select Network Settings, then Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC Address, and just simply hit on Clear. After that, make sure that you restart your console. Press and hold the Xbox button in the center of your controllers to open up the power center. Select Restart Console and then select Restart. If the console appears to be frozen, press and hold the Xbox button on the console for 10 seconds until the console turns off. After the console shuts down, touch the Xbox button of the console again to restart. And after that, simply sign in to your console as it will require you to sign back in. Alright, after that, just go ahead and try to play Black Ops 6 and see if it helps. If that won't work, you might want to try to change the DNS server of your console. Now, to do that, follow these steps right here. Again, open the network screen by pressing the Xbox button on your controller. Go to Settings and Network Settings, Advanced Settings, then DNS Settings. Of course, select Manual and set primary DNS and secondary DNS to. You might want to try this one from Cloudflare, which is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Now, if you have the option to add more DNS server, you can add the IPv6 addresses. This one, just go ahead and pause the video and try it out yourself. Now, after that, just go ahead and save the changes, try to play a game and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, you might want to try to use the Google's DNS server. All right, that would be 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. All right, pause the video and try it out. Now, what if that will work? The last option here is to try to disable QoS, all right, or the QoS tagging in your Xbox console. All right, to do so, again, go to the settings and select General, Network Settings, Advanced Settings, and select QoS tagging settings. You'll see two options labeled DSCP tagging enabled and WMM tagging enabled. All right, just go ahead and try to disable one for now. For example, try to disable DSCP tagging, check the game and see if it helps. If that will work, try to disable this one, enable back the DSCP tagging, and check the game if it helps. Now, if both doesn't work, try to disable both, all right? And everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.